So I pulled out the filter. It's pretty gunky in there. There was nothing in it. There's some shit in the fucking fuel. The filter looks like garbage. Well, I'm changing the bottom fuel filter as well. I already changed the top one. Had some stuff in it. There was no fuel in the bowl. Well, it kind of has me a little worried. I'm suspecting that maybe this pump either is not working or it's clogged. Let's see if I can get a good shot here. Well, I need two hands. What a pain in the butt. I'll be back. Okay, let's get this sucker out of here. That does not look very good. Look at this thing. Well, it's not looking so hot. Well, there's the old one. Let's pop in this new one. The fuel line off from the pump, turn it to on, and if you can stop that fuel pressure with your finger, it's no good. But look at this, guys. I ain't got nothing coming out of there. Just well, fuel pump's changed, and obviously that's what the problem was, because she runs like a top now. I'll just let it idle for a bit. Batteries are a little low from trying to crank so much, so